In the last Zora price prediction, I said we'll have some manipulation to get the shorts out, and then we'll have manipulation to the downside, and we did exactly that. We liquidated these longs. We took a very quick scalp for 2% or around 1.8% after the slippages and everything to view up, and now we're looking for new trades. I'm on vacation right now, so but I still wanted to record a video for you guys ASAP. So the first thing that I'm seeing is that I'm looking for is what is the situation on the daily chart. So we want to go ahead and see it right now. The daily chart is basically very close to the most important accumulation zone we've had for the last month on it, and this is the 6 to 6.398. So 6 to 6.4, it's a 7% accumulation area, and I do think we're slowly gonna go down towards it. So my daily price prediction is that we go down from here. My longer term price prediction is this is my longer term price prediction, and my shorter term price prediction would be that we would be shorting any 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 opportunities to the downside. For example, if we can short from here, that would be beautiful. That would be a good short. That would be a good shorting opportunity to coincide with the 200 EMA as well at the time. So this is 7.1 to 7.2, and then we'll see how it goes. But that's basically the strategy. Let me know your thoughts. I'll have some links in the description down below. First to my signals chat if you want to learn the exact tracks I'm doing. We've got some really good results, especially on VOOX, 262 grand from meme coins. And also, if you want to learn my strategy, not just trade the way I trade, there's a link in the description down below to my course. And also 8 grand worth of bonuses from BingX. All of this will be included in the description. See you next video. Bye.